Today, I will show you how to create sea waves using UV resin. Give me your attention and follow me step by step. Let's fun begin. First, use epoxy resin to make sand and sea water. Put some sea stuffs to decorate the sea scene. Now, mix some white color with UV resin and fill the space that you want to make waves bubbles in. Get some water and mix it with dish soap quickly. Until it creates bubbles, take only bubbles and put it above white UV resin. Now use UV lead. Dry it well but softly. Make sure that there aren't any water or soap. If you want, you can put some color or glitter to the waves. Now, finally, epoxy resin. Now with the final result, I will clean those edges later. Write your opinion in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching this video and wait for new video and tricks soon. Stay safe. See you later. Bye!